Okay, so how to use Wispr Flow with Claude Code. So as you can see, I've opened Claude Code in my desktop and I have access to Wispr Flow. I've asked Claude Code and the Claude Code has replied, yes, I have Wispr Flow connector available. It gives me access to meetings, calendars, Scratchpad and account info. If you want me to pull something specific, I just ask and I'll query it. Open Claude Code, make sure you are on Claude Code. Now go on bottom left corner, click on your profile and here click on settings. Now scroll down and select extension. Click on browse extension and here search Wispr Flow. Click on it and click on connect to Claude. Alright. Wait for a few seconds. Click on connect to Claude. Now it will open your browser and make sure to give it access to your account. So I'm gonna give it access to my account. Sign with your email ID. Just wait for a few moments and click on open Claude. Now as you can see, the Wispr Flow is connected. So I'm gonna ask it again if it has access to Wispr Flow or not. So do you have access to Wispr Flow? Alright, as you can see, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.